Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display your time in this format. So let's dive right in. So guys, we are going to install two packages that we are going to use for this video. So let's install those packages now. To install, npm install react time ago javascript time ago. So these are the name of the packages that we are going to use for this tutorial. So let's install them. I'll pause the video, then resume the video after the installation has completed. Okay, the package have now been installed. As you can see, look at them here: JavaScript time ago and React time ago. So I'm going to run the application in our localhost now. Run dev. I'm going to run the application now. So while we are waiting for the application to open, let me open my the application is now running. Now it's running on this URL. Okay, let me open the link. I think this will be better so that we'll be seeing the application updating in real time. You can see the application is now running on our computer. What we are going to do now is that we are going to clear some, we have some some files here that we are not going to use. So like this app.css, index.css, we are not going to need them for this video, so I'm going to delete them. Let me select the two and delete. We're going to delete them. We are not going to be using CSS in this video, so we have deleted them. I'm going to open my app.jaxx and remove those and delete this. Is no longer here, but the rest are here, so I'm not going to use them. Let me just clean them and leave the state. And also in here there's no index or CSS again. Okay, let's leave everything like this. So what we are going to start from the main.gss, but if you are using create react app, it will be index.gss. In our main.jsx here, we are going to import okay, time ago. Let me increase this. Time ago from JavaScript time ago. Then we will import ng from JavaScript time ago slash local slash en.json. Then we will import ru from JavaScript time ago slash local slash ru.json. Then what we are going to do now, we are going to use the time ago dot add defaults local en, then time ago RU. So that's all for the main.gss or index.js if you are using Create React app. So let's save and go to our app.gss. Nothing will happen in the browser for now, so we'll import React time ago from React time ago. It's also among the package that we installed earlier, in case you have forgotten. Let's clear some of these. Okay, I didn't clear this, so we are going to clear the default codes that came when we created the application. And let's let me just use div. Okay, and let's set state with, let's make an h2, sorry, h2. I say hello, then save. Sorry, I'm having an error. Let me check. Sorry, let me try and figure out where the error came from, then resolve it and continue. Okay, sorry, I've known the cause of the problem. I use an underscore here instead of, so let's save. Okay, that was the cause of the problem. I think everything should be fine now. Okay, you can see the H1 is here already. So what you are going to do now, I don't need these states. We are going to delete this counts. Okay, so after we have done that, I'm going to declare a variable, which will be time, then there's a date, just to date dot count. Then we have a time now. So if we are to display the time here, because we are using date now, it will display random number. Sorry, I wrote date here instead of time, so you can see the number. But when we pass this to our, so let's implement what we have just, let me arrange it so that you guys will see it better on a new line. Okay, just pay attention to this line now. React time ago, which we imported here, it will pass in date, which will be equal to time, or you may have your own time that you want to display, I don't know, but we are going to use this time that we just set. So, and it will take in locale also, locale, which will be equal to the format of time that you want to display, which will be US, enclose, save. You can see it's now displaying just now. If we wait a bit longer, we will see a minute ago, and so on and so forth. Let me name this time 1. Let's make more copies, and okay, let's cast for time 2. And this time you can see it's now showing 1 minute ago, and this time we are going to create our own date pass. So in here now, first, the format we are using, it will take in month first, which, let's say today, this month is 4th. Then the day, which is today's date is what? Let me check. Okay, 9th, 9th of April 2023. You can use any time at all, and the time here, if you guys can see, it is 8:19. Let me set it for 8:10 to 8:10, and it's 8:10 p.m. Let's save, then copy this, You can see as I save my file again, the time refreshed. So it's now the new time, as in the time that we saved the file. But this time around, let's change this to 2 and save. Time 2 and save. You can see 10 minutes ago, because it's literally 10 minutes ago. Because we saved it for 8:10. Let's change it to 8:15 and save. 5 minutes ago. Let's say okay, it's now 8:20. Let's change it to 8:19. It will be 1 minute ago. So, and so on and so forth. Let's change it to maybe 8:30. You can see in 10 minutes, stars in 10 minutes to come. So you can, this will help you a lot. When you master it, you can see it has reduced to in 9 minutes, because the time is moving. So that's how it works. And I know if you want to do this with vanilla JavaScript, it will take you a lot of time, but with this you can just implement it with few codes. Just few codes. You don't need a lot of code to run this, and it's very simple. When you get a hold of it, to use it for your you prefer to use it instead of writing a lot of code for just this simple task. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day. Bye.